This is a pl92t. We have to simulate a problem. One client have a problem like this. Practically, turn on the machine. I've done the preset. The machine start to do the first procedure. Then the pump and the freeway solenoid valve is running, and the group head and the water passed through the group head and came out. After these phases, the water stop exit from here, but the pump continue running because this is the freeway solenoid valve here, and now, as we can see, we can hear the pump running, but the solenoid valve open is no more. It's not the coffee solenoid valve anymore, but is this. I've disconnected the wire from the solenoid valve, the red wire, because I have to simulate what happens if I have a problem on this during the filling up of the steam boiler. Happened this practically, the pump continue running, and the water came out from here and came out from here and came out from this valve, because in this case this solenoid valve is not open. If happen this, we have to check with the tester if this solenoid valve, the small one here, is open. Now turn off the machine and try with the tester if the electronic car gives 220 volt in this case, because we are in Europe, or 120 volt in USA. Now I try with the tester if I have power, AC power here. Tester. Can you see with the phone? Yes. Turn on. Be careful here, it's for technician. Turn on the machine, and we have to check if the solenoid valve receive if the water, this steam boiler is not filling up. Happens that the first filling up of the coffee boiler restart again. Then we have to wait until the water stop flow through the group head, and after that we can see here, I hope, 220 volts. Okay, check. Is 220 volt. This means that, for example, if I remove this wire, the wire from the water level probe, I can see 220 volt. It means that the pump is running and it is open the two-way water charge solenoid valve. And then if we have problem here, we have to check if this valve receive power. Second thing to do in this case, we have to remove the wire from here, and always remove the power cord with the machine cord. We have to push. Okay, we can see here you have this ring. We have to push down this ring and pull up the tube. If you pull only, the tube cannot exit and you can damage the tube, but push down the ring here and pull up the tube. Then I have to do this from here without the power cord, remember, and I have to put the side of the tube in a container like this, okay, and I remove this wire, the water level probe wire. I try to reconnect the machine, and I have to check if the water in the exit from here. Wait, as we can see, the water, sorry, okay, this is the boiler, okay, this is the tube, can you see? Yes. Turn on the machine. As we can see, the water came out, because if you have some glue in the solenoid valve, or we have something and the water cannot pass through the fitting or pass through the solenoid valve and reach the steam boiler, practically the machine doesn't work, and we have to understand why the water cannot refill the steam boiler. After that, remove the power cord, we have to push down this tube and reconnect the water level probe wire.